Do you know what time it is? It's silver and gold time. Let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video. Trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There is no guarantees of making money in the markets, and trading is the most hardest thing you'll ever do, and it takes a long time to become a good trader. So this video is just educational only. If you're struggling with your trading right now, then click on the very first link in the description. We're going to learn a free training, the 7 universal laws to become a master trader that will boost your success, consistency, and confidence without spending a decade trying to figure it out. Click on the very first link in the description right now. All right, traders, quick silver and gold update for you. I also have something really interesting to share with you. So first thing I wanted to go and quickly go through the through silver and gold. What's happened with the gold right now is just pretty much having a bit of a holding pattern right now. I do see gold continuing this nice little uptrend and breaking out, and so I do see that's what's likely to happen with gold, and also this is the silver price. You can see silver's just basically been holding here quite nicely after this nice strong run up. Nice holding pattern through here, nice sideways movement. So I do see we're likely to start getting a nice pop on the high side with gold and silver. We had this big strong rally holding here quite nicely. So I do see quite a nice strong rally coming out of that. Looking at things like the GDX, again, that's sort of the same thing as well too with that. GDX is holding strong. The GDXJ, which is the junior miners, again, that's sort of holding strong as well too, creating higher highs and higher lows. So buyers are now in control of GDX, and the silver price as well too. Once again, higher highs, higher lows. So buyers are still raising. They're starting to raise their prices instead of lowering. As you can see, instead of lowering their prices all the way down through here. So as you can see, that's what's happening through there. So what I did want to share with you on this quick little update today is the long-term picture on gold and silver. So let me go to this weekly chart here, and you can see this weekly chart on gold and silver. If I go to, say, the monthly chart on silver, you can see that we had this big strong rally back up, and now we're compressing up into this sideways movement. And if you look at this sideways movement, we've been basically having this overall sideways period through here. Little bit of we had a low, a major higher low through here. So I do see we're likely to start seeing this sort of action happening moving forward in the silver market. But also the gold market, one thing I want to share with you is gold is making a major bottoming pattern. Look at that. There is no doubt in my mind that this is a major, big, massive head and shoulder formation, bottoming pattern. Now, if you're looking at the head and shoulder formation and you're looking at a projection, you're looking at this being the lowest point and you're looking at that being the high point, there is a projection. And the projection, obviously, if you go to the top, right, go to the top up there, and you go down to the bottom there, what you want to do is you want to project that up and out. So there is a projection, and the projection level is up through there. So that tells me once we start to break out, we have a really good chance of not only getting the 1500, but up to the 1700 level, and probably even higher from there as well too. But that's the projection I'm seeing from this big, massive head and shoulder formation. Inflammation. I'm thinking health. Inflation is Inflation is picking up more and more. So is gold and silver through there. So this is the weekly chart on gold right now, but gold is forming a massive bottoming pattern.